Hi everybody, Lorie Burch. Next question from the Lorie Burch mailbag comes from Pam in Braddock, Texas. Pam writes, Dear Lorie, my friend recently told me a story about how her 18-year-old daughter was in an accident and the hospital wouldn't give her any information about her daughter's condition. Is this correct? And if so, is there anything my husband and I can do so that we can make decisions for our son who's in college? Love the videos and all your help. Hope to see you soon. Again, Pam in Braddock, Texas. Pam, yes, that is correct, and it's very shocking to some parents to find that out. But once somebody turns 18, nobody, not even your spouse, not even your parents, have the right to medical information or to make decisions for you. And I actually not too long ago dealt with a mom who had her daughter who was down in college and had to have an emergency appendectomy. And the health insurance company, which was her mom's own company that she covered her daughter on, billed it incorrectly, and so the health insurance did not cover it. So imagine this, the mom, my client, is on the phone with her own insurance company and they won't talk to her about her daughter's condition. So it absolutely is a problem that parents can address. The good news is there are documents that your child and children can get to make sure that parents can still act for them. This would be as simple as a medical power of attorney, a medical record release that addresses HIPAA, which is the Privacy Act for medical information, as well as a financial power of attorney, which would also allow parents to be able to handle financial decisions and so forth. Another thing to keep in mind, and this was triggered a few years ago when I had a client or a couple that their young daughter, who was just in her 20s, had come down with a lung condition and passed away suddenly. She lived at home, she wasn't married, didn't have any kids, and she really didn't have any assets other than a bank account. And I'll spare the long story now. We were able to get it resolved, but the bank froze that account and did not want to release that to the parents, and we had to go through a lot of red tape in order to allow the parents to get access to that account once their daughter had passed away. So part of getting the documents in place is also getting the right advice on how accounts can be set up. It's not that these kids are necessarily ready to have wills or trusts or all of that, but it is something to have very simple legal documents and have simple legal advice so that parents are still able to act for their kids while they are adults, but still very much under their parents' control and influence. So great question, Pam. Keep the questions coming. If you have any more interests in other topics, please visit our YouTube page, and don't forget to like us on Facebook. You can also get updates there and submit other questions. And until next time, remember, if you don't have a will, the state of Texas has one for you.